Hi, my name is Gudrun from GE Designs, and I'm here at Fat Quarter Shop, and I'd like to give you a little bit of a demo from my book, Stripology Mixology. I'm going to show you the quilt that's hanging on the ladder right behind me. It's called Stella. It's probably one of the simplest and funnest, quickest patterns that you'll ever make, using 10-inch squares. All you need is light and dark 10-inch squares. So you can make it Christmas, or you can make it patriotic, or you can make it in any color you want. So let me show you how it goes together. Here's the book that you can find the pattern in. And we're going to be using the Stripology Squared Ruler. You can also use the Stripology XL Ruler for the same quilt. For convenience, I like to use the squared because it's easier to maneuver. So first off, you want to pair up your squares. So I have a light square and a dark square. I'm using these beautiful fabrics called Christmas Figs 2. That's a fabric line by Fig Tree. So I have them stacked up, the light and the dark, and you can maybe stack up more layers if you feel more comfortable cutting multiple layers. I start by aligning my ruler, so I'm going to find my 10-inch square on the ruler just to align that stack inside first. And then we're going to do a little bit of twisting. So we're going to twist the ruler. Don't be scared. We're just going to twist it. And I have it marked up here how far I need to twist it. And then we're going to make a cut. So we're cutting a diagonal piece off of the square like this. Now all we're going to do is sew this guy back on, but we're going to switch the colors. So we're going to sew the light one on the dark one and vice versa. And you can switch things up. You don't have to sew exactly the same combination of the two. You just want to sew a light tip onto a dark square and vice versa. So you would just place this and you're just going to layer it tip to tip. No overlapping, just tip to tip. And then you're going to sew and you're going to press towards that little tip. So your unit is going to be looking somewhat like this. Kind of weird. And you're wondering, how the heck is this ever going to look right? But we're going to fix that because we're going to be squaring these up. This is pretty much it. So these blocks square to a 9-inch block. So we're going to find our 9-inch square on the squared ruler, which is right here. I have it marked, the outlines here with the two corners with pink arrows. And what I try always to do is try and preserve the most of my little tip. So you want to make sure that those black lines are inside the fabric on both sides, but I want to go as close to the edge as possible so that you kind of are preserving as much of this point as you can. And then we're going to make a trim on the 0 and on the 9. So you might notice that you're be trimming more of one side than the other because we only have one seam on one side. So now we're going to turn the block, and all we got to do is line up that top line with the cut edge of the fabric. And again, I want to make sure I'm right inside that fabric, still preserving as much of that point as possible. And then you're going to do the same trims through that 0 and through the 9. And there we have our blocks. So you're going to end up with dark blocks, and here are some of my dark blocks, and then you're going to end up with the opposite. So you have some light blocks. And this fabric line, since it was pretty much greens and reds and lights, it was kind of perfect for this pattern. So I made some reds and I made some greens. So here's the fun part when this comes together. So you will put the greens or the dark ones all together in, we're going to just line it up as far on the edge as we can. And so you're going to turn it to create that star. And beautiful thing, oh, this is the wrong one. We need the dark one. The beautiful thing is that no seams to match. So these are like this. And then next to this one, I would put a light block. So we'll put this over here. So we'll put the reds here. And so you would alternate the light and the dark, and they show up really, really nicely. And then so I would put the other lights on the top edge. So you'd always alternate and block out those blocks like that. And that's pretty much it. So how fun and fast was that? I told you it's probably one of the fastest quilts you'll ever make. And who knows, I'm sure you got some 10-inch squares laying all around that you can just put them together, stack them up, and cut them and get going. I hope you enjoyed that video. You can find more of my videos here on Fat Quarter Shop's YouTube channel or my own YouTube channel, GE Designs, or find my website, GE Quilt Designs, to get all the links to my programs. Thanks for watching.